Good morning and welcome to the day God gave us. This is my tram video. If you're a new driver, I will explain the rules or the ropes. Okay, this is the beginning. Now, when you come into this corner, you're going to see that pole on the left. It gets hit, and we do not want to hit that pole because it causes a major traffic jam. So come in wide here, and every time you're making a left, keep an eye on your left. If you're making a right, keep an eye on your right. That's pretty much the rule. And we come in here and we park. Now we park here, and the goal here is to keep an eye behind you, and when you start to see a tram, go ahead and take off. Now if there's people getting on and stuff, let them get on and let them know you're taking off. Let them know prior to say I'm going to be taking off pretty soon as soon as I see a tram or whatever. We're about 5 minutes apart. If people ask, there's always another ride about 5 minutes away. Now, right there's that yellow stuff, so remember, it's on your right, and you're making a right, so you got to make this corner a little wide and make sure you don't hit that yellow stuff. The pole and the fire hydrant, exactly. So you'll take off, you look left here, and you go wide, then you go slow down here, because we've got jumpers that get on. A lot of people getting on and off the cart when it's driving, so if you're going really slow, most people can handle it, but let people know that you don't want them to do that. The way I let them know, they're right by this pole right here. That's where kids like to get on. So keep your eye out for kids jumping on and off there. How strict you are is pretty much up to you. But you don't want people jumping on and off. I just tell them right at the beginning, don't jump off the moving tram. If you want off, just let me know and I'll gladly stop. And that's what I tell them before I take off. And they'll start to get to know the rules after the second day or third day of the fair. So that speed bump right back there. Okay. When you're coming up the speed bump, you got to slow down too, because that puts a big jump on the back of the car. So even though your tractor went over it, you still got to go slow for the cart. Then see that fence up there? You want to be lining up with the corner of that fence right around here, because there's another pole that everybody hits every year. I'll point that out here. There's the pole on the right. See that white pole? It gets hit about every year. So this year we don't hit it, guys. I'll get a close-up of this pole. I wonder how many times they've had to fix that thing. I'm 6 feet from the world, I'm thinking. Now here's the straightaway. Now you go down here, here's the gas tanks coming up down here by that pole in the middle. This is another spot people like to get on and off. That's not a scheduled stop, so to speak. They like to go back through here, this gate here, to go back to the parties or whatnot, beer gardens. So keep an eye out for people around there. And here's the main gate to get in the back of the rodeo. People like to get off here. It's usually the older people, not the kids. So this way, I just let them know. If you want off here, just let me know and I'll stop. The gas tanks are also here. Now up here, once you get past this little area, sometimes there's trucks pulling in, dropping off cows and stuff. Just give them plenty of room and let them wait. We don't got the right of way over nobody. Okay, now at the end of the day, end of the shift or whatever, you're gonna be told to park your tram. Now this is where you park your tram. See that white pole on the right going all the way down? You're going to come in here and you're going to make a wide turn. You're going to get as close to that white pole as you can and go straight down and park in front of the tram that's right in front of you. And try to keep it tight. You can park in front of the tram close, but the first tram has to park correctly. Every tram after that parks as close as they can to the tram in front. Back to the course. Right here, cars and stuff like the pass through here, so a little busy, so slow her down. And then this brick right here, this is where we stop to let off the campers. They'll also pay a lot to camp there, so that's sort of why we're there, to give them rides. Then you keep going straight, And up here on the left by the end of this section right here, right there on the left, another jumping spot. Generally, I just slow it down right through here and just sort of keep an eye on the back of the tram while you're driving, because kids will be jumping on and off. And then you come in here. Now see this big white area on the right? We're supposed to park in that tram, not in between the buildings, but on the other side where the road is. If you're a slow driver and you notice the tram's right behind you, we need to space out again. And this is where we're going to do it. Go up to that shade, park like this is the normal course. Come around here and you're going to see that shade up there. You're going to park there. Now, if you know there's a tram right behind you, then we got to space out again. And you're a slower driver, and there's nothing wrong with that. Just having fun, drive at your own comfortable pace. Then the other guy, if he's a more experienced driver, will notice, hey, we're getting log jammed up, and he'll cut right in front of you down that road right here, and he's going to keep going. He's not going to really stop. Now, he may get people wanting to jump on that want to get to the fair right away, and just let that happen. But you're there, just tell people on yours, I'll be taking off here shortly, because you're going to take off right after you see this tram that went in front of you. You're going to see him go all the way down to the very end there, in the center to the right, and once you see him start to take that corner up here, then you take off. And also back here, there's a food shack I call the Hidden Moose, and they come back here and they give a little bit better deals because it's the 4-H people. So I let people know about that are coming from the fair. It's a good spot to eat. The food's a little cheaper and it's good food, and it gives them a little extra business, and they're good people. Now, they volunteer every year too for the moose. So now we go down here. Now this is the parking spot they mentioned prior. Now that fence is right there on the right behind that wooden pole. And the first tram parks just a little bit beyond that pole facing that building in front. And that's where the first, and every other tram parks right on their butt behind them. And it'll all fit right there. Now, you gotta take this one wide because there's that pole on the left. Now this section, it gets a little bumpy. So they'll rake it out, and this is where you'll see the water truck and whatnot. And so just sort of go slow through this whole section. It's sort of a boring section. The sun's on you, the late shift, you want some sunglasses or something. Good spot to drink water or whatnot. And then you're gonna come around here, you're gonna come around the corner. And then that's the course. And remember that pole on the left. And remember to have a good time. Now, I'm going to do what I like to do. Fly my drone. It's the water truck. And thanks for your sacrifice and giving your time. It goes towards a good cause, and just thanks.
Hi, we're Woodard.
That's where the Cowboys all did their start. They have a big party up there at the end of that. I made it in one year because they remember me from driving the tram. Good food. Got to meet the Cowboys. Did a hint, hint.
Seems my life is gonna change. I close my eyes, begin to pray. Then tears of joy stream down my face. When arms wide open under the sunlight, welcome to this place.
And if you're still watching and you're one of our drivers, this is my videos. This is what I do. Sub, subscribe, and hit the like button. God bless, guys. If you're one of my regulars watching the videos, another one of my videos. I volunteer for the church every year doing this. Been doing it now for a while. You guys all seen the fairgrounds before. Thanks for watching too. You guys know the rule. Enjoy the day. God bless. Look at that, man.